Global sardine production has now exceeded 3 million tons per year. According to fisheries industry forecasts, this figure is expected to continue to grow steadily over the next decade. By 2032, global sardine consumption could reach 4 million tons. To meet that enormous demand, sardine fishing takes place with high intensity and on an industrial scale in many sea areas. At night, fishing vessels use high-powered lighting systems to attract schools of fish. This light mimics natural light on the water's surface, causing sardines to congregate near the surface, making harvesting easier. When the fish school reaches a sufficiently high density, specialized seine nets are deployed. In a single operation, the entire school of fish is surrounded and captured. The nets were pulled onto the deck. Thousands of sardines were caught at once and dumped into large containers, marking the end of a large-scale catch. Inside these containers, ice is continuously added. Maintaining low temperatures right from the sea plays a crucial role in preserving the freshness of fish throughout its journey to shore. Upon docking, the sardines are transferred directly to the factory's receiving area. Here, industrial machinery processes the fish through a deep washing process using clean, cold water to remove any remaining dirt and impurities. Simultaneously with the washing process, tin cans and labels are prepared in the packaging area. The packaging is inspected, seamed, and arranged in preparation for the filling process. After washing, the sardines are transported by automatic conveyor belt to the sorting area. A team of skilled workers assesses each individual fish based on size, freshness, and species to ensure strict quality standards. Fish that meet the requirements are then transferred to a gut processing system. Mechanical equipment makes precise cuts to remove the intestines, while the entire process is continuously monitored to detect and immediately remove any substandard fish.
After cleaning, the fish are rinsed and transferred to large containers in preparation for canning. The empty cans are fed into an automatic filling machine, where the sardines are dispensed precisely according to the adjusted quantity. This consistency is key to ensuring the quality of the final product.
The cans are then sealed, creating a vacuum to prevent air and bacteria from entering. Depending on the product line, sardines may undergo different processing methods. In some processes, workers continue to manually inspect each fish, removing any damaged specimens before hand packing them into cans. The fish is then steamed or lightly boiled to maintain its firmness and bring out its natural flavor. Fish oil, brine, or tomato sauce is added, both to enhance the sensory value and to act as a preservation medium. The cans are then sealed and placed in an industrial sterilization system at high temperatures. This is a crucial step to completely eliminate harmful microorganisms and ensure the product meets food safety standards. After sterilization and cooling, the cans are transferred to the labeling area. The cartons are sealed, stacked on pallets, and loaded onto trucks. From here, the sardines leave the factory and begin their journey to markets around the world. From schools of fish in the dark waters of the ocean to neatly arranged tin cans on supermarket shelves. That's the complete journey of the sardine, from the open sea to the dinner table, of millions of families every day. If If you're interested in the journey of food and the production lines behind our familiar meals, keep watching our upcoming videos.